to my roots. Oh yes, yeah, darling. Oh. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh. I am back to my roots. Oh yes, I am back to my roots. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh. I am back to my roots. Oh yes, I am back to my roots. Yeah, I am back to my roots. Oh yes, I am back to my roots. Yeah.
Please subscribe to Ile-Ife TV.
So these are the portraits of the past. We have 50 past owners. So with the present Imperial Majesty, we have 51. The first owner was Oduduwa, followed by Osongongo Obamake, the second Ooni of Ife. Ogun, this is Ogun, the same Ogun, the god of iron. He was also the third Ooni of Ife. Obalufon, the fourth, Alayemore, Oromiyan. Oromiyan was the sixth Ooni of Ife and the fourth Oba Igini and Oyo. So we have all of them like that. And we have only one female, the 21st Ooni of Ife. So the only female Ooni. The only female Ooni. Her name was Luwoo Gbagida. Yes. During her time, she was very strict, and she believed in punishing those that offended. Yes. So what she normally do to punish people was they would make a local pot. So after the drying and all stuff like that, they will have to break it and fix it on the floor, because she doesn't work on normal floor. It's like the local size. So no matter the distance of where she's going, that's what she used to work on. And you can still find the samples of those portrait pavements all around.
In the palace, we'll take you to a particular print.
And she gave birth to Telu, the founder of Iwo here in Osun State. Yes. So we have them like that. We have Sir Adesoji Aderemi, the 49th Ooni of Ife. He was the 49th Ooni of Ife and at the same time the governor of Old Western Region during his time. After him, we have Okun Adesiju Ade, and we have the present Imperial Majesty Ooni Adeyeye Enitan. So may Baba live long for us. Okay, this is the Ooni Governing Council. This is the sacred Ari crown. That's the only sacred crown we have in the whole universe. This Adi-Ari was the one Oduduwa brought when he was descending. And that's the same Adi-Ari we've been using since then.
The same one.
The same Adi-Ari, yes. This is replica. Yes. Adi-Ari weighs over 50 kg. Yes, and it's once in a year during the Religious festival. So,
and as Baba proceeds towards the temple for prayers, the Ari becomes heavier. Yes. And by the time he's coming back into the palace, he has to be supported by 4 aides because of the weight of the crown.
Yes, because in Yoruba, let me say in Yoruba, in Southwest, we have 401 deities controlling. So this is the only physical deity you can see. So by the time he's putting this on, it's like he's carrying the other 400 on him. Yes, so very, very heavy. And anything you say at that particular time is you have to come fast. Yes. So these are the chiefs on the left side of His Imperial Majesty. So they start from being MSF. And it depends on the year of service within the palace. The MSS, we refer to them as the throne protectors. Yes. So from this level, they graduate to become the kings, the chiefs here. Yes. And the highest rank here is Chief Lower. Yes. We also have 8 like the right here. Yes. This 8th year, they achieved to His Imperial Majesty, while outside the palace, they are kings in their different domain. So, the leader here is Ile-Ife. So, he's second in command to His Imperial Majesty. Yes. We also have the Ishoro. They are the custodian of deities. So, the 401 deities that I refer to the other time, these are the custodians. Yes. In other places, they refer to them as Abor. But here in Ife, we call them Ishoro. So, you are welcome once again.
Baba receives special guests here, and sometimes if he doesn't want to sit on this throne, he will just come in this direction and have a more intimate or warmer reception, for a smaller group of people. So this is my left here, and that's the dining area where he has special dinner sessions and entertain people, as it were. We also have a small music band right here. You can do a bit of please go on. And if you see any stick cover, just know that that's the okay, so very nice. Yes. 200. Because we prayed more this week. You can see 200 comfortably. Very neat. Comfortably. Yes, you can see 200. Yes. Beautiful. Yeah, and that's the seat over there. Even as we're standing here, you're not allowed to go behind that seat. Yeah. You just approach it and come back. That's it.